everyone to another episode of Subway Surf, and I'm sorry if you're still lagging. You know what? I think I'm gonna delete some stuff that I do not need. I don't want this. So let me just delete some stuff. The internet install. Turn on. Okay, something's wrong. Wait, it's frozen. Whoa, that scared me. Sometimes it scared me a lot. I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna see what else I do not need. I do not need this. Hopefully it's gonna be easier for y'all now because I deleted some stuff. You know what? This mod player. Okay, I'm done. So let's just play Subway Surf. So I restarted, but oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm kind of lagging here. Okay, so this might be like a series now. I don't know, maybe it's Subway Surf. Because I kind of like it, and hopefully y'all like it. I cheat. Yeah, I have board. Oh, I love my last board. What was it? Yeah, it was. Oh, that was so lucky. I was so lucky. Yes. Okay, it's lagging. I think I might turn this into a series. Why did I miss that? Because I kind of like it. And hopefully y'all like it. Because I hate it when someone doesn't like it. So let me just pause settings. Wait. Okay, we're going. Yeah. Okay, so let's go here, get those boots. It looks so big on this girl. Okay, so let's just do that. The heck is that? Yay! Boom, boom. But yeah, I think this is what am I in diamond? Oh, I forgot that. But yeah, so let me just go to me real quick. Wait, no, not me. The shop and see something real quick. How do you use it? So I think we might have to work for this, so let's just work really hard. We try to get a lot of coins on this. And don't worry, the Sim series is still going on. It's just I haven't had time and all that stuff. So I might just upload all of these on YouTube. Because I've been doing a lot. Because I mean, I'm a YouTuber and I just really want my series to grow and all that stuff. So just please, I had other channels but nothing really worked out. So I decided to make a gaming channel. This is like going to be my personal channel. All those other channels, like I think the other ones are just gonna be a real life channel or something. Like I just do vlogs and all that stuff. I'm only 9, so yeah. Oh shoot! Whoop! Only got 79. That kind of sucks. Please give me more money. Dang it! I don't like this. I don't like Spike. I mean, look at. Let me show you Spike characters. That's Pinky Boat. Oh, he actually looks hot. Well, not in that one, but in this one, he actually kind of looks hot. She doesn't look hot. Hey, look. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the episode here. Hope you enjoyed it. I only know it was 5 minutes, but I might start doing it to 15 minutes. I'm sorry if it isn't, but yeah. So bye. By the way, pick. So yeah, bye.